Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a bunny house with rainbow hearts. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing the roof, just like this. Let's draw the body of the house. Let's add some eyes to make it look alive. Try drawing and painting with me. Now I'm drawing the bunny ears on the top of the house, just like a real bunny. Adorable! Let's draw a door in the middle and some windows on the sides. Great job! Now comes the fun part, rainbow hearts. Let's draw them all around the house, like they are floating in the air. It looks magical. Let's make the first lines thicker. It's ready to paint. I'm starting with pink. Then yellow and a little black. For the roof, I'm using gray. It's going to be so beautiful and colorful after the painting. I love drawing and painting so much. Orange, you can even draw your own bunny house with different colors and shapes. And the windows light blue. Let's paint the door brown. Now for the rainbow hearts. I'm using red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. What do you think is inside the house? Maybe a bunny family having tea. It's like a rainbow party. It looks so amazing. See you in the next video.